How to sign into Cooperative online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can sign into Cooperative online banking account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can go on with the process of creating online banking account for Cooperative. So in order to do that, you may just open up your mobile device or go to your laptop's browser. After that, go to Cooperative online banking. Just search that in your Google search bar. After searching for it, you'll be able to see the link of the cooperativebank.co.uk on the very first. Just tap on that link, and when you tap on that link, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be finding all of the details about the bank. So here you will also be able to find the login option. So when you tap on that login option, after tapping on the login option, you'll be taken to a next page where you'll be finding an option where you can log in into your online bank. So here you can see login into online banking. You just need to enter your username. Just enter your username. After that, tap on next and enter your password and go on with the process of verification. After that, you should be signed in or logged in into your online banking account easily. If you have forgotten your login details, just tap on this forgotten your login details and contact your bank, and you should be able to recover your account and log in into your online banking of Cooperative Bank. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to sign in into your Cooperative banking online account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.